This video walks you through how to add a video to a HoneyBook proposal. Start by signing in to your HoneyBook account, then open the proposal you want to update. This brings you into the editor where you can place the video exactly where you want it to appear for your client. If the proposal is already built out, take a moment to find the section where the video fits best before adding a new block. Next, click Add a Block or use the plus button in the editor at the spot where you want to insert the video. Both options take you to the Content block menu. The location you choose matters, since the video will be added directly into that part of the proposal layout. From the list of available content blocks, select Video. This creates a video section inside the proposal and moves you into the setup options for that block. At this stage, you are choosing the format that controls how the video is presented. You will then see layout options such as one video, video and text, or text and video. Select the layout that matches the way you want the proposal to look. Then click Start Editing. If you want the video to stand on its own, choose the single video option. If you want written context next to it, choose one of the split layouts with text included. Once the block opens for editing, click the video placeholder. This opens the area where you can connect your video source. The placeholder is the part of the block reserved for the media itself, so clicking there takes you to the correct input field. Now paste your video link into the video URL field. HoneyBook supports links from several platforms, including YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, Loom, SoundCloud, and PicTime. Make sure you paste the full video link into the URL field so HoneyBook can pull it into the block correctly. If the link is supported, the video will load into the placeholder inside your proposal. After the link is added, click Done to save the video block. This confirms the video placement and keeps the block in your proposal layout. If you make changes before saving, clicking Done is the step that applies them to the proposal editor. With the video saved, preview the proposal to check how it appears from the client side. This is the best time to confirm the layout, spacing, and placement before sending it out. If everything looks right, click Share to send the proposal to your client. Your HoneyBook proposal now includes a video block and is ready to share with your client.